Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. If you are new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Definitely helps your girl out. My name is LaMonica. If you've been here before, thank you for clicking on this video. Y'all, I'm taking you guys along with me on my work conference. It's like a 2-3 day conference, and I just got to the room, and I will say this room is so cute. So I'm gonna show you guys what the room looks like, and y'all let me know what you think. So when you come in, of course, this is the door. There's like this cute hanging fixtures for your umbrella, your jacket. And then I'm gonna turn around, and that's Babe. And I'm gonna first start off with this closet. So there's this closet here when you first come in. It comes with a robe and some slippers. Then this is the really cute bathroom.
Look at the stand-up shower though.
Love the different textures, tones, colors. That's me. The bathroom. Really nice. Then, of course, y'all know we love a good full-length mirror. So definitely looking forward to getting dressed and doing my makeup. But the bathroom is so cute as well. So nice. Look at the stand-up shower. It's so nice. And there's another robe back here. This is so cute. Toilet. Then when you come out, there's this whole like entertainment center. There's a bar. There's a whole safe. Well, this is a cute little bar. You just look really cute wallpaper. This wallpaper actually is the same thing as this headboard. And then there's another mirror. So yes, so excited. The floors are nice. So yeah, I just wanted to start the vlog off by saying I'm on my work conference trip, and I will be showing you guys what we get into while we're in this area throughout the weekend. And yeah, stay tuned for that. It is now 9 o'clock and I haven't ate anything. So I'm gonna look for some food and then just get settled in and enjoy the night. Luckily, the first session doesn't start till 10 a.m. So I get to sleep in just a little bit. So that's good. But I just wanted to check in with you guys. Make sure you are subscribed. Make sure the notification bell is on and you thumbs up this video. And let's get into it. So this is my outfit. Very cute but casual for the office. Today is day 1. So this is gonna be exciting. Got this jacket from Marshall's. Basic turtleneck. It's a long sleeve turtleneck from Marshall's. Jeans, Marshall's. Boots are Nine West. And jewelry is Ana Luisa. Bracelet, Alex and Ani. This other bracelet, it was from a boutique. Watch, Kate Spade earrings. And the bag I'm carrying is my Louis Vuitton Never Full. So yeah, this is the outfit. Cute for day 1. My makeup came out so weird to me because the lighting in here. I was trying to do a little montage for y'all, but I guess it'll do what it do. So this is it. All right, so day 1 is pretty much done in the office. So we are now heading out to go to like a golfing place. So I just came to put my stuff down, freshen up a bit. Fragrance of the day is the Kayali Vanilla 28. Love, love, love. So just want to put that on and we're good to go. I'm just going to, I just changed my shoes. So it's just my Uggs. And I'm gonna just take the clutch to this. And, oh, I need my, I don't know if I have this. I'm gonna put that in there. Hold tomorrow. I just need to grab a gloss. I have my chapstick, but I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Fenty. It is 5:38. We're supposed to be in the lobby in like 2 minutes. So I'm just gonna grab this and show you guys the switch of the outfit. So I still have this on from this morning. I don't know why I didn't pack a belt because these jeans keep falling down. But I just changed it into my Uggs. So yeah, super chill. I'm just gonna go ahead and continue on with this day with the team. So oh my God.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love.
Hey y'all, what is up? Today is Saturday, and I had a really great time at my work retreat / conference. It's really weird but interesting to or not weird in a bad way, but like weird, like, oh my gosh, like you've been talking to these coworkers on Zoom and all that, to see somebody in person is like, wow, I thought you were this, or I thought you know, taller, shorter, whatever. It was so much fun. You know, since the pandemic, everybody's been remote. We are remote, and so it was really exciting to do some team building, breakout discussions, and all that. It was all said and done. We went to this place to have some really good food, and it was fun. It was mini golf. So that was fun, and I highly recommend this place. This place was in the Washington, D.C. area, and so it was really fun. So, so needless to say, that was a really good time. Let's talk about today. And I am running to this costume store because you guys seen one of my girlfriends here on my channel. She's having a cocktail and costume party. So I don't celebrate Halloween. But I just wanted to show face over there, and I didn't want to just, you know, not show up and participate in the theme. So I'm really trying to figure out if I'm just going to do simple like nose and whiskers and call it a day. That's very easy and simple. Or if I'm about to find, you know, just some simple costume on sale or whatever, just to participate, because I do think that when people take their time out to, you know, spend all the money on creating themes, from the invitation down to the menu and food and all that, games or whatever, you know, try to participate and show up for the theme. If somebody has a theme for something, try to participate. Don't just not participate in a theme and then you showing up. And also don't show up to people's events empty-handed. You know what I'm saying? So that's what's on the agenda today. I've been in the house just chilling, not really trying to move around too much since I knew I was going to be hanging out tonight. So this should be cool, real chill vibe.
Thinking about you, I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.
So I made it to my friend's house, and it is so cute down there. I just showed you guys some of the setup, but it's not set out yet. But I just want to show y'all. Ooh, I just came up all those flights of stairs, honey. I need to get back on my regimen. So yeah, that is what is basically looking like. Syringes with grenadine, some really fun cocktails. There's a cocktail and costume party, and this is what I came up with. This is the most you're gonna get out of me, okay? with the little headpiece. I actually found this set and it came with the jewels at Dollar Tree, but this keeps coming up. But so I wanted to get, you know, get this in as many pictures as possible before it starts falling off from eating. But we here, it's about to be fun. Just wanted to check in with you guys, so I'll see you guys a little bit later. Hey y'all, it is Saturday. Welcome to Saturday. It is actually 77 degrees. I'm trying to figure out what is going on with the climate. What's going on when it's November, just a few weeks away from Thanksgiving. I don't understand how we just talking over Thanksgiving and going straight into Christmas. Like, the stores got all the Christmas stuff out. This is before Halloween came and we ain't even talking about Thanksgiving. Comment down below what you are thankful for this year. We're gonna start this now. So yes, today is Saturday and we are out and about. We had to make a stop real quick, but we're out and about, and I just wanted to come on here and say what's up, because I don't know where we left off, but I just wanted to chime in and say what's up to you guys. I hope you are having a great week. I hope you had a great Saturday. Right now is the Sephora sale. By the time y'all see this video though, the Sephora sale is going to be past. So let me know if you purchased some stuff from the Sephora event sale. I need to actually put another order in or go back. I want to go back because I don't like to be placing all these orders online. So I want to go back because one location did not have my shade in this foundation, but the other location does. So I'm going to go back and get that. I am wearing one of my products, and I'll go ahead and give you a little sneak peek of something I did get. This is the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm in Gummy Bear. Y'all, it's so smooth. Love, love, love the applicator. I use the little pods, the night mask, but I never had their balm. I use their night mask as a regular balm. So, but it smells so good. Look at the applicator, so cute. It smells amazing. So if you have not checked this out, make sure you check it out. It's very soft on the lips and hydrating. There's a shine to it. Y'all see that? It says Lip Glowy Balm, so a shiny balm, we are here for it. And it smells good. So I will check back in with you guys a little bit later. I don't know what we're going to get into, but we shall see. Y'all, I am checking back in today because the time has gone by and I didn't even pick up my camera. I didn't do much. We ran a couple, once we ate the Burger Fi place, it was actually pretty good. I had a chicken sandwich, as you guys saw. Babe had a burger. So if you have a Burger Fi near you, definitely check it out. It was actually good. Would I say that it's better than Shake Shack? No. The fries were giving me an elevated version of Five Guys, and if you know all these places, then you know what I'm talking about. But it was pretty good for what it was. It was really nice out today, so just got a chance to go outside and enjoy the weather, eat outside. But nevertheless, it is now later on in the day. Look at Bukola. All right, y'all, so I wanted to quickly share what I got from the Sephora sale. Ooh, I pulled my hair too far, man. All right, y'all, sorry about this angle, but I just wanted to quickly share with you guys what I got from the Sephora sale before I close out this vlog. So I mentioned to you guys in the car the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm. This one is so good. I reapplied it twice today, and my lips are still shining from the second time I put it on. You guys can see, very, very hydrated and moisturizing. So definitely check out the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm. This is in Gummy Bear and it smells so good. So that has been good. Something else I picked up was the Kiehl's Calendula set. I love both of these products on their own, and when I saw that there was a gift set, these gift sets are coming through. They're coming to steal the show. So this holiday season, if you can't figure out how you want to gift someone a gift, definitely check out these gift sets. So this is the Calendula Deep Cleaning or Deep Cleansing Foaming Face Wash and the Calendula Herbal Extract Toner. And both of these are really, really good products. I talk about these all the time. Love the toner, love the wash. Ran out of the wash first, ran out of the toner second. But yes, this was a value of $78, but then Sephora sold it for $52, and then I got it for the VIB sale. So got that, and these are full size products, so cannot beat that with a stick. Like, when I saw this, I said, wow. So yes, these holiday gift sets, they coming for our necks, okay? They coming for our necks. I did pick up one of the limited edition Fenty Beauty Clean Earth Conscious Butter Drop, whatever it is. This is called Fenty Skin Butter Drop Shimmering Whipped Oil Body Cream. So this particular one is a limited edition, y'all. And I cannot wait to try this when I get out of the shower. That's what I'm about to do. It smells so good. It smells like a graham cracker. Like a nice sweet cookie. And I do see the shimmer in here. So I'm intrigued to see how shimmery it will be. But I hear the original one is really, really good. I'm still contemplating if I want to try it. I do know that the original one is more like, give you that more sheen and more oily look. And this one apparently doesn't. So got that. This is like a free sample. The Flower Bomb Ruby Orchard Parfum. So don't know how that smells, but I'll check that out. Also picked up Babe his gift. If you are new here, I am going to be celebrating 1 year wedding anniversary coming up. By the time you guys see this vlog, though, we would have already celebrated it, or it'll be coming up. But nevertheless, that's what that fragrance. So you got this little sample because I got a fragrance for him. But then also picked up the Sephora concealers. This is a Sephora Best Skin Ever Full Coverage Multi-Use Concealer. It's supposed to be a natural finish, long wear, anti-pollution concealer, and I've heard some great things about it. I picked two up. The first one is in 33N, and the other one is 28.5N. Both are neutrals, but I can't wait to try these. Love the applicator on here. Is giving me that Tarte thick applicator, even the e.l.f. one as well. So can't wait to try this. And then that is everything that I got in store this first go around, but I do have some stuff in my cart that I'm still contemplating on getting. This is a limited edition, so if you want to get this, you definitely should see if it's still available and get that. But whatever is available, I will be sure to link it in the description box below, because the holidays are coming up. So if you were not able to participate in the Sephora sale, you can still get some good deals during the holiday season. It's not, you know, I feel like you can still get some good deals, especially with these gift sets. So yeah, I will close the video out here. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps your girl out. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.